2 is equal to 1, hence proved. And today is an absolutely perfect day. The weather, the temperature, everything is just so good. I think the temperature is around 23, 24 degrees and it feels so warm. It doesn't feel actually warm, it just feels nice. It's pleasant, it's beautiful. This is the church behind me and I just came here for a walk. That's the university area, that's the gym. The gym has opened up now, so that's good. But there is the track arena, which is closed right now. That's the gym area, which is opened. It's amazing. Look at that guy, he's biking out there. It's the summer, it actually feels like summer. That right there is a campus enforcement car. So that's pretty good to patrolling. And there's another biker. This entire thing is Elizabeth Avenue. I've already shown you guys before, but this entire road here is Elizabeth Avenue. And this road here is Westerland Road. And my house is out there, behind this tree. This is where I live, and now we're going to go inside and I'm going to continue talking to you guys about the mathematical calculation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Talks with Jinesh. This is episode number 14. My name is Jinesh Modi and I am a third-year computer science student here at Memorial University, and I make videos about life in Canada. If you are thinking about coming to Canada, then you should definitely check out my channel. I have made videos about how to find a job, how to find an accommodation, cost of living, etc. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel to not miss out on future videos. And if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. It will really help the channel grow a lot. In this video, I'm going to do something different. Something that you've probably not heard or seen before. I'm going to show you a mathematical calculation that is going to blow your mind. 1 is equal to 2. You're all puzzled and you're thinking, how can 1 be equal to 2? If I have $1, how can it be equal to $2? If I have 1 onion, how can it be equal to 2 onions? It's possible. Now, this is not one of those jokes where which pool you swim in, Liverpool, which gate you can't enter, Colgate. This is not one of those jokes. This is something I'm going to show you. I'm going to do it with you. I'm going to do it in front of you on the camera so that you can see it for yourself. Now, before I get started, I want to talk a little bit about Instagram and Facebook. There are so many of you who have direct messaged me on Instagram and texted me on Facebook with your queries, your concerns and questions about this place, and that's totally fine. I'm so glad that I can actually help you out. But there are some of you who have also messaged me with fake accounts, and I do not reply to such accounts. So if you've created a brand new account just for the purpose of messaging me and asking me a question, I will not respond to such an account, because if you're seeing who I am, I also want to see who you are. So make sure that you're using your own and genuine account to ask me a question, and I will reply as soon as I can. Okay, you're watching Talks with Jinesh. Let's get started. Proof 1 is equal to 2. Now, to begin, what we're going to do is make an assumption. Let A is equal to B. So what this means is whatever A is, B is that. So if A is 1, B is also 1. If A is 10, B is also 10. If A is a million, B is also a million. So whatever A is, B is that, okay? So now we multiply A both sides, we get this. Now, as long as when we remove the A's, as long as we're getting back the original equation, A is equal to B, that is a legal multiplication to make on both sides. So let's do that again. A times A is equal to AB. Now this is going to give us A square is equal to AB. And now we are subtracting both sides by B square. So A square minus B square, AB minus B square. So what we've done now is just subtracted B square from both sides. Now what we're going to do is factor out this whole equation on both sides. Left hand side we can do the difference of squares, that is A plus B, A minus B, and here we take B common, so we get A minus B. Now if we divide both sides by A minus B, then this is going to get cancelled. So we have A plus B is equal to B, and now our assumption is A is equal to B, so A is equal to B. So instead of A, we can here put B plus B is equal to B. So therefore we have 2B is equal to B. Now we divide both sides by B, we get B's get cancelled, so 2 is equal to 1. hence proved. 2 is equal to 1, hence proved.
So you've seen now how 1 can equal to 2. But now before you go try this trick out with your friends, hold on right there, because there is a mistake here somewhere. Now, logically everything is fine. By algebra, by the rules of algebra, you've seen for yourself how things have worked out, right? Everything is fine. But there is a slight mistake somewhere in this calculation that you've seen right now, and you need to figure out where that is. So if you find that mistake, put it down in the comments below and let me know. It's really very simple. Let's see who can spot this mistake first. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel as well, and put your thoughts in the comments below and try to find the mistake. It's really simple and easy. And if there's a video suggestion that you have, you can also drop that in the comments. My next video is going to be about scams in Canada, so stay tuned for that. It's going to help you, especially if you're an international student. It's been fun, guys. You're awesome. Talk to you later.